Alright guys, we are in a tractor. For those of you who don't know, this is my boyfriend. And we're going to be in this tractor for the next 3 hours. So we posted on our Instagram stories that anybody can truth or dare us, and we'll do anything that we can based off of what we can do in the tractor. Got anything to say?
Not really.
Well,
Farmers matter.
alright, so Morgan, what did you just get dared to do?
Kiss the tractor tire.
Alright, babe. Alright, Morgan, what's it say?
Oh, hold on, we got two. One said wheelie the sumbitch. I don't know if that's possible, but I mean I can try eventually. The next one says pull a hair off your leg and your girl get to do one on your leg too. So I get 2 hairs pulled off of my legs. Great.
Alright, you're first.
I'm only gonna get one. I don't want to do more than one. I used to play this game a lot. Ouch.
I heard that one.
Yep. Your turn. You're up. She's looking for a good one.
Oh, did I not get any?
No. Oh. Nope. Oh. Okay.
I can't get it.
So you just gotta grab it and rip up this way.
Oh, upwards.
Yeah. Oh.
I got one.
She got one.
Look at I got actual like hair bulb. That one's not growing back.
Golden.
Morgan's gonna pee out of the tractor. That better not get on the door. Are you peeing?
Yeah. I'm a horrible aim right now.